All right, we gotta get out in this cold.
What time is it?
It's about 3:45 and it's getting really bad. Whoa! I think we're in for a really good storm today.
Like a really good storm.
My jacket, it's so cold. My jacket sounds like plastic. Like it's, I mean, it essentially is plastic, I guess, but. I gotta go back to the yard, put fuel in the back of the fuel tank, and I gotta fuel up the truck because I feel like it's gonna be running a lot tonight. Nice Carhartt jacket, dude. This is dyed diesel. One other thing that you guys were telling me about, diesel anti-gel fluid. I'm gonna add this into it, and that's off your guys' suggestions, so thank you. Go grab a coffee from Tim Hortons, wait out this storm, and I'll update you guys whenever I come out next. Oh yeah. It's about 4:30 in the morning now. It's still snowing a bit, but I need to get a head start on these doors because I know that they're probably drifted. And so I'm gonna bring in my own blower today, the Arien. So we're gonna load that up, head to the storage. Well, I'd be lying if I said we didn't get a lot of snow. I'm pushing it with the bottom of my bumper, and you guys know how high a Duramax sits, especially with the level in it. I'm 6'3", and it's almost up to the top of my knees here in drifts. Yo, baby! Yay! That is awesome. That's almost as tall as me along this whole side. That's why I brought the blower. Man, hit that subscribe button, guys. Show that support, baby. Yo! Yeah. There's still guys that continue to ask in the comments, is this guy drunk? Is he drinking? No, dude, I'm just f***ed. First major storm for 2020. We've been waiting for this all year, and we finally got a ton of snow. This is gonna be a really sweet day. Oh yeah, baby. All right, bit of an update. Brad showed up, back from Thailand. I want to show you guys these drifts that I'm going through, so I'll set the camera up. But this blower here is a beast, man. All right, so I hopped in the skid steer here now because I want to open it up in case somebody comes through here. So we're gonna do that. And this little Toro snowblower's giving her too. A little too much snow for that thing. All right, so I just made it in here and just bringing up the back end stuff. We're gonna mount you guys outside. We just finished. There's a lot of snow to move today. It's gonna be a lot of pushing. The fun isn't inside with me, it's out there looking at all this fluffy snow. So let's get you guys out there and let's get her done. Let's hammer it out. All right, as you guys can see, things are going awesome. This is a lot of fun. I'm happy to see this. Dudes and dudettes, we just had like the most beautiful sky pop out. So you guys answered back about how you guys want to do the giveaway, and essentially what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose subscribers through an auto-generated kind of like the software that, you know, takes your subscribers and the names and auto-generates them and then picks a winner from there. So we're going to do that. So if you guys want to get a bunch of free Carhartt stuff, then make sure you guys subscribe, because we're going to be giving away a bunch of Carhartt stuff. It doesn't matter where you are, I'll ship it like wherever. It doesn't matter to me. It's a beautiful morning here. The sun is like orange and it's just fantastic. We got the tunes going. I got coffee going. I'm in a great mood. You guys are rocking with me. Well, it's Sunday right now, but you guys are probably watching this on, I don't know when I'm gonna release this. All right, Instagram time's over. The thing whenever you push with the backhoe is the snow gets all piled up in here, so you gotta kind of kick it out of the way, or else you'll find that it starts to overheat a bit. Okay, so we ended up finishing up the back section here. So now what I got to do is go back up front.
Back up front.
And go check to see how the young lads do it on the doors, and then shovel stuff away from there. Just continue on with the snow removal. I need more coffee. Getting stuck more today for some reason. Now I'm stuck down here. That was exciting. All right, we wrapped up that. We wrapped up, so now we got to just plug in the machines. Okay, so last thing that I have to do here is just throw down some salt. So that's what we're gonna do now. Use some of that red salt up. And just like that, we're all done. What an incredible storm that was. That was a lot of snow. Shout out to Joe's young lad for giving us a hand, Brad for coming in. That's the end of the video. I need to go get some rest and do my own laneway at home. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I appreciate it. If you aren't subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe, it's free. I will never charge you to watch the channel. I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. And no, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patriots of the channel that watch the entire video to the very end, which is right now. It's the next day. I was looking back at my footage and said, I didn't give these guys a true patriot word of the day. So if you did watch the entire video to the very end, which is right now, I want you to comment down below, finally got it. Why finally got it? Well, we finally got the storm that we've been asking for all year. Finally, a good, massive plowing video, and I couldn't be more happy about how it went. So if you watch the entire video to the very end, I want you guys to comment down below, finally got it. I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.